Today I'm going to show you blister fluid under a microscope. I got this one from hot oil that got onto my finger while cooking some food. Blisters are small pockets of fluid that form on the upper layer of skin after it's been damaged. The clear liquid inside blisters may be either serum or plasma that is there to cushion and protect the skin underneath until it heals. It's composed of mostly water with electrolytes, proteins, lipids, and various other substances. The first thing I noticed was a few dead skin cells, which most likely came from my finger hitting the slide. In addition, there was a bunch of these little globules, which may either be lipids or just air bubbles, but I'm not exactly sure. I also came across some white blood cells on the slide and time-lapsed it so we could watch their movement. These white blood cells move around using pseudopodial locomotion, which is a projection of cytoplasm that pulls the cell forward, similar to how an amoeba moves. In some of the clips, you can actually see those projections come out of the cell, which I thought was pretty interesting. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.